ready to break free from your Cricket wireless carrier lock and explore new network possibilities. It's a straightforward process, and we'll walk you through it step by step. First, on your Cricket wireless phone, you'll need to access the device's settings. Look for the gear-shaped icon, which is the universal symbol for settings. Once inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find an option that usually says About Phone, System, or something similar. Tap on this to proceed. Within the About Phone or System menu, you'll want to locate information about your phone's status. Look for an option like Device Information, Status, or Network Status. This is where we'll find the unlock prompt. Now, carefully look for an option that indicates Network Unlock, SIM Unlock, or a similar phrase. This is the crucial screen where you'll enter your unlock code. It will typically present you with fields to type in your code. Using the unlock code you received from Cricket Wireless, meticulously type each digit into the provided fields. Double-check your entry to ensure accuracy, as a single incorrect digit will prevent the unlock. After entering the code, tap the Unlock, Submit, or Confirm button. If entered correctly, your phone will display a confirmation message indicating that the network unlock was successful. Congratulations! Your Cricket wireless phone is now unlocked and ready to be used with a SIM card from another compatible network. Enjoy the freedom to choose your carrier.